Jackson revealed that she is working hard to break Florence Griffith's world record in future championships. Shericka Jackson recently won the women's 200-meter race with a brilliant time of 21.98 seconds. The reigning world champion set this meet record this Sunday at the Rabat Diamond League. The Jamaican is the woman with the second fastest record in this event. Despite a slow start, she came back to overtake her opponents to deliver a comfortable win. The second position was taken by Bahamian Anthonique Strachan with 22.15 seconds. This means that she broke her 10-year-old personal best. American athlete Tamari Davis also secured a personal best of 22.30 seconds to finish third. The performance should give the Jamaican some confidence as she looks to continue her historic climb in the event. Last year, Jackson became the second fastest woman in history over the 200m distance when she won the world title in an incredible 21.45s. Jackson is hoping to make history in this year's event. This Diamond League performance will be important in building the Jamaicans' confidence. In 2022, Jackson delivered an unbelievable time of 21.45 seconds. This performance made her the second fastest woman in history in 200m races. Jackson told journalists that she believes that this is not her last victory. Jackson said that she was happy with her victory, although the weather was breezy and the opponents were very competitive. She promised to deliver more spectacular performances in future. Jackson revealed that she is working hard to break the world record in future championships. The Jamaican has won many medals, and she is certainly capable of breaking the 200-meter record. The record was set by Florence Griffith Joyner with a time of 21.34 seconds. She broke this record in the Summer Olympics of 1988.
Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and drop a wall go in the comment section when you subscribe.